Dead battery? Not a problem. We are putting the AVAPOW jump starter to the ultimate test. Buckle up and see if this battery jump starter can bring your car back to life. Let's jump in and find out. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the AVAPOW A68 model. Comes with a case, so it's pretty good. The case has here to put the cables and the power bank inside there. The jumper comes with the jumper cables. The plug is in this side. DC plug for cigarette lighter connection. USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. And this is the jumper. It has a handle in the top. Bottom, nothing. This is the brand. AVAPOW has a LED light on the side. You can turn it on in here. So it's almost 75% charged. USB-C input and two USB-A's outputs and the DC output. And in here it has the plug connection for the jumper cable in here. To turn the light on, just hold this one. Oof. It's pretty bright. Okay, just turn on and off. Turn it on and hold to turn it off. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, right now we're gonna test the second jumper. And again, let me show you that if the battery is dead, I'm gonna step on the gas and on the button. And the battery is dead. Okay, now we're gonna test the AVAPOW. And this is jumper cable. We have to connect them in here. So, let's plug them in here. Make sure that it's all the way in here. Now red cable goes here, the positive here, and the negative in here. Okay, this one, let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, it works. Okay guys, this is the AVAPOW A68 portable jump starter. Honestly, having a portable jump starter has been a game changer for me. It saved me for being stranded and has come handy more times than I can count. And also it's compact, reliable, and gives me peace of mind every time I hit the road. I highly recommend it. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, it's time for the giveaway. Okay, for the giveaway we're gonna give this product over here. Okay, and the rules are super simple. You have to like this video, you have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to put a comment in this video, and this is only for the USA. So the winner, we're gonna announce him or announce the person on Sunday, not this Sunday, the next Sunday after that one. I think this is January 5th. Okay, so on January 5th we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. Good luck guys, thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.